Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable notifications on Discord. So there are two ways to do so. You can mute a specific channel. For instance, over here I have text channels, and I can right click any channel that I want to disable notifications for. So let's say it's this one which I have selected. I'm gonna right click this channel, and then over here I have two options. I have mute channel, where I can mute the channel for some time or until I turn the channel back on, and also I can disable notifications. So over here we have use category default, so it is pretty much in a way that it is set by the server owners or administrators. But also you can override this setting and you can use all messages, so then whenever any message comes into this channel, then you will be notified about it. You can also use only mentions, and you can also use nothing, which pretty much disables notifications from this server. Even if you are, sorry, not server, this channel. Even if you are mentioned, then you will not be notified at all. And of course, if you want to, instead of disabling notifications from specific channel, you can go to the left side where you have servers. You can right click the server, sorry. And here you have the same options as for the specific channel. So for instance, over here you have the mute server options, which are the same as before, but also you have notification settings where you can again decide if you want to be notified about every message that comes in, or only when you are mentioned, or nothing at all. So it's up to you. You can choose, for instance, nothing, like so. And over here you also have suppress options, where you can suppress everyone in here. You can suppress all role and mentions of these roles, and you can also mute new events and suppress highlights. You can also enable or disable mobile push notifications over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.